Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I recently picked up an EVH Frankie, and when I was looking at these guitars on YouTube, much like you're doing now, I couldn't find anything that showed me a good example of what the neck pickup sounded like hooked up. I knew that I wanted to hook mine up when I got it, and so I knew I would eventually find out what it sounded like, but I was kind of curious to see if anybody had made a video sort of showcasing that tone. And I couldn't find anything, so I figured, what the heck, I'll make one myself. So I've made some demos here of some clean playing and some overdriven stuff with the neck pickup, so you can kind of get an idea of what you are in for if you decide to hook it up, and maybe if you want to hook it up at all. I've got mine wired to a push-push switch here. Down is the bridge, up is the neck. Without installing a switch, there's no way to get both. That didn't really matter to me. I really just wanted that neck tone, which I've got now, and I'm super thrilled with. So I'm going to play a little bit and give you some examples of what it sounds like. Here is the neck pickup clean. All right, some nice clean examples as you've heard. I've now switched over to a plexi style profile so we can hear how this neck pickup sounds with some gain. And it sounds like this. So there you have it. That's the neck pickup on the EVH Frankie. If you're so inclined to hook it up, you can expect to be treated to some really cool tones like the ones you just heard, and hopefully even better. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped.